So that, I'm halfway through resolving a potential conflict. I have outside counsel who's talked to one party, but not outside counsel that has talked to the other party.
Okay.
And this young man who used to have a ponytail and has lost all of his strength and valor by cutting his ponytail, is present today.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I still out there.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's kind of weak, I gotta say.
And so are we going to further notice it at this point?
Yes,
For when? February 3rd?
well, Judge, you can further notice it to whatever calendar you like, and it just depends on
Yeah.
whether and I will work on getting that resolved, number one. Number two, I know I'm gonna be on trial during the February 3rd period. So that's an advance notice of conflict. But put it on there, and if something comes up, we'll be able to make it.
You want to do some other date?
I don't want to give a date yet, Judge.
You don't want to give a date, period,
This,
or the 3rd?
they need to, when will the conflict be resolved? Do we know? Can it be resolved this week possibly?
No. I started a trial out of the continental United States on the day after Martin Luther King holiday, and I anticipate that will last at least 2 weeks. So I'll be in trial away from here.
Do you know how long that trial is supposed to last?
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
All right, so we're talking 3rd week in February.
Well, just put it down.
Okay.
I've got a conflict. I've got a conflict until 2026 at this point. And Max can verify that. He's my witness.
I don't know where I got that February 3rd date.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna be.
Okay, you'll receive a notice.
All right. Okay. Can I just run back and tell Mr. Bird was shaken?
Sure.
Not while the judge is on
Yeah,
the bench.
yeah. Momentarily you can.
Okay.
All right, did we need to, Judge, here's a note, and if we can address the Kendrick situation so we can move on.
All right.
Raul, don't leave.
No, we're talking about the other matter.
Okay, well, as far as Rule 22 goes, I understand that it was filed and decided before you made an appearance.
Okay, well, we're still, I think the rule says after notice and hearing.
All right. I don't know if there's a hearing or not. Okay, I'll reread it,
Okay, please.
and we'll be in touch. Don't leave the courthouse.
No, I was waiting to go see Mr. Bird, and
Okay,
we're gonna talk with everybody with regard to the other matter.
okay, all right,
And I still have my 2 witnesses here, just in case.
okay, good. Number 4, Sharon, yes,
Mr. Belgrave hasn't been brought up yet.
he has not been brought up. Okay. Woolens Pierre,
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Pierre is up, and he can come out if you want. We do have an announcement.
all right.
I'm going to hold my commentary.
Okay.
This Mr. Woolens,
Mr.
Mr. Pierre,
Mr. Pierre,
This is first.
Pierre, Mr. Pierre.
Yeah, Mr. Pierre.
all right. What's the announcement on Mr. Pierre?
Mr. Pierre, by the way, has positions 5 and 6 on the calendar, Your Honor.
Okay.
Or, yeah. Right now, we're just gonna have him move to a trial calendar. We're not accepting the offer. Mr. Pierre faces immigration issues that we're still trying to deal with, and these types of charges definitely put in the ability that he may be deported. At this point, we're just gonna go forward to the trial calendar.
All right. For the notice trial calendar, do you have an approximate date on that?
Judge, it may be the February or March trial calendar, I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Pierre.
And that's my case, Ms. Rosser, 88 Hall.
Okay. Both cases, Ms. Hall?
Yes, Ms. Rosser.
Okay.
Joseph Wheat.
Your Honor, my understanding, he's not been brought up yet.
Okay. Jamel Fisher.
I don't know. Oh, Mr. Fisher, Your Honor, it has to be reset. He is still on loan to Gravy, as they say, so he is not available.
He wasn't brought over, Pilgrim.
No, still in grading,
Okay.
going out.
All right. Cherish Okafor.
I believe that they have not been brought over yet either.
All right.
Here or not up?
I'm not brought up. Oh, okay, who's here?
Okay, we'll come back to this, that a pretrial.
Yes, that's a good one.
Pretrial and Wheat. Okay.
What, on, Okafor, Judge, number 9.
Okafor has two, I believe that they've been brought up, but it's female.
Okafor is not here. I don't know, I called down the section, see if he's maybe in route or what he's saying, but he's not here.
It's a female.
Oh, female? Oh. All right, I'll get.
Hambrick.
He's here.
He's here?
What's the announcement on Hambrick?
Hold right now, I believe that Ms. Dolly just got here, we just need to talk to her real quick to see if there's a response from the police.
All right. That's 2 cases, 11 and 12. Torrance Roebuck.
He's here.
Yeah, we're fine, we can bring him out if you want.
All right. Is he up? Yep.
Yes, sir.
You're going to waive formal arraignment and
Yeah,
move
we just
on?
want to address the failure to appear as well.
All right. Ms. Nix, you're here on behalf of Roebuck.
Come do what you got. Move on.
Hey, Ms. Persefield.
All right. Come on out, Mr. Roebuck. Stand at the podium next to your attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, this is Mr. Torrance Roebuck, number 13 on the jail calendar, 24 SC 000139. We plead not guilty and waive formal reading. We'd like to address the failure to appear. He had a court date on 10/10/2024, for which he failed to appear, and there was a bench warrant issued. In talking with him and checking on the system as well, what it appears to be, it was a address mishap. They had his address in there as 1033 Hollowell, HOLLOWELL, which is, I don't even think a street in Atlanta. It was corrected when he got arrested. The correct address is in there. I verified that with him. It's 1033 Hollywood Road, Northwest, apartment R3, Atlanta, Georgia, 30318. So it is correct in there now, but it was not correct, so he did not get notice. So we are going to ask for you to lift the warrant and reinstate the bond. I've checked the bonds. They've not come off them, so they're still good. And he has the correct bonds on the correct charges. So just ask to have the warrant lift and bond reinstated.
What say the state?
Judge, it looks looks like he was arrested on the bench warrant just a couple weeks after his failure to appear, so the state is in a position.
He was arrested on the bench warrant for the failure to appear.
Yes, sir.
All right.
This case was in non-complex and it was just transferred up here.
All right.
The judicial hold lift order was signed on October 22nd, so he was arrested at some point that day or before.
All right. Mr. Roebuck, is the 1033 Hollywood Road address a good address?
Yes, sir.
And who lives there with you?
This is my friend of mine's apartment where I stay.
All right. And as far as you know, your friend's still there.
Yeah, they still there.
You still allowed to go there?
Yes, sir.
All right. If you change your address, you need to tell your attorney, you need to come down and tell the clerk's office
Yes, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have your attorney's telephone number?
Yes. Oh, no, not yet, not yet.
Okay. Well, she'll give it to you before you leave. Stay in touch with her.
Make sure I have it.
I'll set aside the bench warrant.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's it.
Next court date will be February the 5th.
February 5th.
Yep.
Okay.
Be here whether or not you receive a notice or not.
Okay.
Okay.
Goes for all those other dates, guys. It's February the 5th, not the 3rd. Sorry.
Jansen Williams. Anybody here on Mr. Williams' behalf?
Nothing is going on yet.
That one,
Attorney
they wanna file a
Harvey
waiver and I
doesn't
asked
want
the
the
deputies
camera
not to
to-
bring him
They're
up.
gonna
Okay.
make a
I've been
decision on
checking
that,
and
and nothing has happened
All right.
yet.
We'll probably reset that one to the 3rd.
Maybe he's coming
For
out.
the 5th.
Third.
I mean, the 5th.
Why they just
All right.
I don't know why you keep saying the 3rd, Judge. It's the 5th. February the 5th.
You're the one who told me the 3rd.
I know, but I don't want you to keep saying it.
Andrew Sybeck.
Because these are,
Bring him out, Your Honor.
Okay.
what's him again?
Sybeck, number 15, Andrew.
Is Mr. Hawkins still in here?
Yep.
Mr. Hawkins, was that, Jason Williams, is that gonna be you?
Yes, Your Honor, or yes, Mr. Ross.
Okay, Mr. King, he was gonna file, he had a conflict for today. He may
Okay.
have been included on that. He's gonna file a waiver. He also filed a motion for bond. I didn't see where one was had. So we'll probably put it on for February the 5th.
Oh, case management and bond.
And yeah,
Okay, got it.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
And Your Honor, Mr. Civic waives formal arraignment and enters a not guilty plea.
Okay. Mr. Civic, stay in touch with your attorney. And when's the next reasonable court date? February 5th. All right. Larry Shoemaker.
I'm not sure if he's
that's the one that's in the hospital.
okay.
He was supposed to be a video judge and, but he's in the hospital at the prison, so we're gonna reset him. I may try to get him on next week, but, cause it's just for pleading arraignment.
All right.
Or probably, that date will be to be determined. How about that?
Okay.
That works.
Jasmine Worthhands.
Do the space now and walk female without a.
Okay. That takes care of 18 and 19 and 20. Isaiah Madison,
I think he's also appearing via video.
he's appearing via video.
Yeah,
Yes,
and I may have given them a 10:30 time. I don't see anybody in the waiting room from the prison, so let's give them a few more minutes.
All right. Demetrius Clay,
He is, he's
Be Mr. Lawumba.
Mr. Luemba, we lose him again.
Y'all, it's
please
a court
record also,
reporter device.
text me,
Talking
ask
to
me to
it,
come back down.
say some things, and it's part of her court reporting duties. I guess it'll kind of transcribe it or put it down. So
Okay, I'm gonna put a question
hold it
mark.
up to their mouth like that. It's like it's
Philando Hunter,
Yeah, hold jar, just so we can follow up with Ms. Jolly for any recommendations from the probation.
all right, so you'd like to hold for your announcement?
Yeah.
All right. Zachary Pearson,
I didn't get a chance to speak with him, Your Honor, because I was still downstairs.
all right, we'll set it down for a plea.
I don't know if Mr. Pearson would like that.
Deja Smith Johnson,
She hasn't been brought up yet, Your Honor.
okay.
Talk to Mr. Pearson real quick and we can come right back out.
So that is that it? What's going on? Let's see what's happening. Okay, hi everybody. Happy what's today? Happy Hump Day. Let's see what's about to happen.
He's never been arraigned on this
No,
charge?
he has not.
No, he has not.
Hey, here we go.
Well,
So if we can do it that way,
I mean, is it of the nature that would be right for a plea?
negatory.
All right. Okay,
Well, it would be right, but that's all it would be. We're still, well, we're talking,
all right.
okay?
He's got multiple cases, Judge. He's got one in Judge McBurney.
Right.
It's a more serious case. So I think we're potentially discussing how to resolve that if we can.
So the best way is status quo at this particular
So,
point?
so you're looking for a universal settlement?
Yes.
Okay, all right,
So may we do the arraignment in that fashion?
sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Madam Clerk, may I get the paperwork?
Yes, you may.
Sorry to get you down here for nothing. Of course, I didn't have anything to do with getting, no, I'm talking about the cameraman.
I thought you were talking to me.
No. But it doesn't look like anything's going to happen with Mr. Kendrick's case today.
Trust me, they were coming anyway. That's not on.
Are you working with Mr. Harvey?
Yes,
What's your name?
Attorney Nicole Westmoreland.
Okay, Ms. Westmoreland. All right, nice to meet you.
She's the brains and beauty. I'm just the aging boy. It's cold out there. Kind of guy. You know, I thought this morning that if you're over 70, you should be exempted from coming out in any weather that's below 30 degrees.
Good luck with that one.
I was looking for the exemption.
Well, we'll have a lot to talk about tonight. But I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I am not talking now. I will talk on Wednesday. I mean, WTF Wednesday. And I knew this is what was going to happen. So,
Okay,
Let them sign that.
yeah, we'll get Mr. Harvey out. You may, if that's all your business.
Oh, y'all didn't get the next court date. Next court date.
so basically, nothing's happening today.
This February.
Waived arraignment, and it's going to further notice it to another court date. And this is the question
Your birthday.
that I will answer tonight on WTF Wednesday.
Don't tell me about big ones.
I don't agree with this at all.
You gotta get over
Don't agree with this.
Judge Downs down in St. John right now.
7 p.m.
Low of 70.
Eastern Standard Time.
Pretty nice. Then they're going to New Zealand, Australia in April. 3 weeks.
7 p.m. I'm going to go do some work. I will see y'all tonight. Thank y'all for stopping by. This I agree with. See y'all later.